So let me just take a walk, guys. Looks like very chilling here. And this is the Anchor Hostel. I can pass in front of it. Turn this street. This is where I am. Looks like very tall. It has 6 floors. It's a very big building as well. Here reminds me a little bit of Luxembourg, at least silence. Oh, this is a Tesla. It's cool. They also have trams here. It's about 9:34 p.m. right now. So nice walking a new country, discovering new places, talking to new people. There are 2 guys from Australia, Brisbane, in my room. They look like so nice. And there is another guy from Manchester, England. Also, they look like very nice. There is another one, but he's watching something. We haven't talked so far, so I have no idea where he's from. I feel myself, while I'm traveling more and I'm staying here in Europe, while the days are passing, I'm feeling myself with experience, and I'm feeling myself much freer and like more easier to make vlogs and to talk to people. I think in the first days I was just too tired of the flight, maybe some worried with the trip, but everything has been good so far. So yeah, it is awesome. This is Norway, guys. When you see a car charging, an electric car charging, you guys know we are in the Nordic countries. It is awesome. Let's go.
Det var det. Det var det. Det var det. Det var det.
Jeg har kjøpt den, er ikke det? Istanbul restaurant. So nice to see a lot of guys riding scooters. So cool. It's really nice. So I think I will cross here. There is no car coming. It's a very tiny dog, so beautiful, so nice. I think when the city is not that crowded, it's much better to hang out through the city, to get to know the city, to discover the city. Like Amsterdam, it's so busy, there are so many people that sometimes for a solo traveler, it's great to meet new people, but at the same time, it's not that peaceful for walking. I prefer like this. A little empty. I better wait for spree. Let's go. My internet is not working here properly. Maybe tomorrow it will work. Maybe my internet data Or I already ran out of internet data.
Ja, men
Nice park. Nice. I'm traveling so much, visiting so many countries in a short time that sometimes it's hard for my mind to assimilate so many information, so many differences. Sometimes all the memories, all the countries, they just mix up on my mind. So it is funny, it is cool, but at the same time, it is a little weird. Sometimes I'm talking with my friends, and right now I'm in Norway, but I just say, for example, I'm in Copenhagen, Denmark. I, it's crazy. Let's go up. Oh, there is a beautiful dog here. Let's go. Okay, so Toyin, I think it's a subway station, and for that reason my friend asked me to meet him in the Toyin P Bunny. So everything is here's Toyin, Torg, Toyin. Let me see what else we have up. Yeah, Toyin P Bunny. Toyin P Bunny. Maybe it's here. Yes, I think he asked me to meet him here. My internet is actually not working here at all. But yeah, it's here, Titoyen. Oh, it's very dark. I'm at the top of at a very nice park here, and here you can see Oslo from above. It's really beautiful. Oslo, we have like mountains around the city. So cool. It's really nice. It's a little cold.